Let's begin. I start off by using vitamin E oil mixed with Primrose oil to help break down the makeup and infuse in the skin. I gently massage the oil onto the face and on the lashes to break down the mascara. I use micellar water to help remove the oil from the face. Micellar water is more gentle and opens up the pores for a more effective cleansing process. The next step is cleansing. I'm using a signature cleansing cream specially formulated for normal to dry skin. This cleanser has jojoba beads for gentle exfoliation and moisture with a great citrus scent. For toning and freshening, Thayers Witch Hazel Astringent is my best choice. This astringent is alcohol-free with natural ingredients to help minimize pores and remove residue from the skin. To give my skin more moisture and hydration, I apply hyaluronic acid serum to the face while still damp for easy absorption to the skin. Just a couple of drops is all is needed for the entire face. I follow with a couple of drops of niacinamide serum to lock in moisture and close my pores. The final step is moisturizing. I'm using a signature smoothing moisturizer to give a lightweight finish. And there you have it, my secret to great looking skin. Please continue to check out my videos for more tips on being naturally flawless. Bye bye.